Hey everyone, my name is Ferris. I'm a technician here at Midland Honda. I'm going to show you this 2022 Honda Pilot Black Edition. Stock number is 23-474B. Just going to do a quick walk around the vehicle. The body is in great shape. Paint is fantastic. Here we have a look at the interior of the vehicle. Currently, this has 77,401 kilometers on it. And here we have a look under the hood. All the services are up to date. Here we have a look at the tires. They look to be in excellent shape. We can have about 70 to 75% of tread life left on them. And same with the brakes, look to have plenty of life left on them as well. No issues there. Here we have a look at all the front end suspension components. Everything is in excellent shape up here as well. Here we have a look under the vehicle. Everything is very clean down here as well. Thank you for checking out this 2022 Honda Pilot Black Edition. Again, stock number was 23-474B.